Hello friends, Omar Z. Robles here once again to share with you another quick Adobe Lightroom tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to copy and paste edits across your images. This tool is extremely helpful, especially when you're editing sets of images taken at the same location and or lighting conditions. A few simple shortcuts will help you edit complete sessions in no time. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in Lightroom Classic and I have several images I photographed during a recent session, all at the same location. As you can see, I already edited the first image. Let's call it our master photo. Now, if I wanted to replicate the same edits across one or several images, there's a couple of ways I can go about it. First shortcut I will teach you will apply only when pasting settings from a previous photo. Type D on your keyboard to enter Develop module. So let's imagine I just finished editing this master photo. If I pass on to the next photo, I can simply type on my keyboard Option Command V, and boom, just like magic, I pasted all the exact settings from my master photo onto the next one. So let's hit reset and go back to our master photo. What if there's some adjustments I did on my master photo that I don't want to pass on to the next? In that case, I can simply type Command C. Lightroom Classic will allow me to choose which specific settings I want to copy and paste onto the next image. Click Copy. And now find the image where you want to paste the settings. Press Command V on your keyboard and voila. So finally, let's say I want to sync settings across several images. I can simply select all images including my master photo, come down here and click on the Sync Settings button, click on Synchronize, and there you go. Alright, let's move on to Lightroom on the iPad. Starting with our master photo again, we can copy the settings by typing Command C on our keyboards or by accessing the drop-down menu on the top right corner of the screen and choosing the Copy Settings options. Boom and boom. Now you can paste your settings on the next photo by typing Command V on your keyboard or choosing Paste Settings from the drop-down menu. Boom and boom. There you go. Finally, you can also paste settings across several images by selecting the images. So come here, select 1, 2, 3 for example. You can type Command V on your keyboard or choose the paste option on the lower bar. Boom, apply, and there you go. And that's that for today. Now you tell me, what's your favorite Lightroom shortcut? See you next time.